Hello Scratchers. In this tutorial we'll look at the game mechanics of our next game, and that is called Ball Attack. So what will happen in this game is that there will be a lot of balls that will be falling from the sky, and the sprite that we control, we need to save it from touching the ball. So let's look at the game first. So I'll click the full screen button and I'll click the green flag. So you can see that there are a lot of balls falling from the sky, and we have a character and it can move left and right, and you can also see that we have lives as well as score. So our sprite has 4 lives, so let's say if it touches the ball, so you can see that our life decreases, and as well as when the ball touches the ground, our score increases. So this is what we are going to make in our next tutorial, and you'll also notice that when our lives are finished, then our game is over. So this is what we are gonna make in our next tutorial, so join me there. Thank you.